Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Yeah, so this was me first time ever building a computer ever. This video is not sponsored. I bought everything that you see in this video. At first I was just gonna build one for myself, and then I thought my wife is due for a new computer. You guys saw that antique she's been using. So I thought, why not surprise her? So she had no clue, she was very surprised. That was awesome, and I just, gave her a gaming mouse, keyboard, gave her the Thermaltake gaming monitor, all that stuff. So she's set up, she's ready to go. But I just want to let you guys know that for me, it took a while. Like, I didn't just do all this in like 15-20 minutes and then it was party time. Like, no, I ran into some problems when I first cut my computer on. Like, it didn't power on, and it turns out there was an issue with the braided cables I was using plugging into the top of the motherboard, like the one that gives the power for the CPU. Yeah, that wasn't working, so I had to troubleshoot that, and then ended up switching out that cable. And then the case comes with like a reset and a power, like a little plug, and I had those reversed. So my reset was my power was my reset, because it's not clearly marked on exactly where they plug in on the motherboard with the little adapter that they give you for the motherboard. Like, it was weird. So yeah, and I probably should have just built one and then maybe another weekend did another, but that to me, I'm always a little bit crazy, hence the name Loco Booth. But anyways, it definitely added way more pressure doing two builds, one right after another. And then there were sometimes I was doing some things simultaneously, like let me hop over here, let me hop over there, then I'd go back and try to finish mine. So yeah, that was a little overwhelming, you know what I mean? And then my office was chaos. There was just stuff everywhere. Like, my workspace was clean, but just empty boxes and everything. Like, it was nuts. So everything that I bought, just go ahead and look in the description, and everything that I bought is in there. So if you like the case that I'm using, or the RAM, or whatever, or my wife's case, just look in the description. You'll see everything there. So I went with the Corsair Obsidian 500D case. It came with 3 LL120 fans in there. So what I ended up doing was putting all LL series fans. So my AIO came with 2 RGB fans, but I took those out and bought 2 LL140 fans and put it in my AIO. Then I added another LL120 on the back, to suck out the heat. Although my wife has a Thermaltake case, took out all those fans and then went ahead and installed all LL series fans in there, 2 140s in the front, and then I got her a 360 AIO made by Corsair and put all new LL120 fans there. Then I put a LL140 on the back. So anyways, not too bad. Yeah, my RAM, case, fans, RGB strips, everything was made by Corsair. I actually had a lot of fun. It was actually very gratifying to see everything working in the end when I got everything working, and to see my wife's facial expression when I surprised her with it is priceless. So now I'm thinking about doing maybe a mini ITX build for my niece, just give her like a little Roblox computer. I'm thinking maybe like an all-white mini ITX case with some RGB lighting or something, who knows. Okay, so that's it. Any questions or anything, go ahead and ask down below. And yeah, I did have fun in the end. Who knows, maybe I'll do like a supreme build, like put 2 280 Ti's inside of a case, and just the highest level i9, and just a complete beastmaster. That's what I'm thinking about maybe doing next. I gotta find a case that I like though. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Laters.